Welcome to Bulgaria, a hidden gem in the heart of the Balkans. This is a land where breathtaking landscapes meet a rich cultural heritage and a history that stretches back thousands of years. From ancient ruins to stunning mountain ranges, and from vibrant cities to charming villages, Bulgaria is a destination that never fails to impress. In this video, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through some of Bulgaria's most iconic spots. We'll marvel at the grandeur of the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, wander through the mysterious ruins of Nessebar, and dive into the traditions and flavors that make this country so unique. Plus, we'll share 5 fascinating facts about Bulgaria that might just surprise you. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply curious about this beautiful corner of Europe, Bulgaria is sure to leave a lasting impression. So, let's get started. Let's start our journey in Sofia, Bulgaria's vibrant capital, where the iconic Alexander Nevsky Cathedral stands as a symbol of the country's rich history and spiritual heritage. This magnificent cathedral is one of the largest Eastern Orthodox churches in the world, and its grandeur is impossible to miss. Built in the early 20th century, the cathedral was dedicated to the Russian soldiers who lost their lives during Bulgaria's liberation from Ottoman rule. Its striking Neo-Byzantine architecture, with its golden domes and intricate details, is a sight to behold. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a serene atmosphere, illuminated by stunning murals and sparkling golden chandeliers. Whether you're here to admire the artistry, learn about Bulgaria's past, or simply take a moment to reflect, the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral is a must-visit landmark that captures the heart and soul of Sofia. Next, let's head to another iconic landmark in Sofia, the National Assembly of Bulgaria. This impressive 19th-century building is not just an architectural gem but also a powerful symbol of Bulgaria's democracy. Located in the heart of the city, it's where the country's legislative decisions are made, shaping the nation's future. The building's grand facade, with its elegant columns and the famous inscription, "Unity makes strength," reflects Bulgaria's commitment to unity and progress. It's a place where history and contemporary life intersect, as the assembly continues to play a vital role in the country's governance. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply appreciate stunning architecture, the National Assembly is a must-see stop in Sofia. And don't forget to snap a photo with the statue of Tsar Liberator Alexander II right in front. It's a perfect way to remember your visit. And while you explore these incredible locations in Bulgaria, let's talk about a traveling mailbox and how to handle your mail. Traveling mailbox is a service for those that are living abroad or always on the move. Let me share how I manage my US mail while living abroad or traveling the world. Traveling mailbox gives you a US address and they scan all your mail so you can view it instantly online. Need a credit card or important document? They'll forward it wherever you are. They handle everything in a secure facility with 24/7 surveillance. Plus, they will deposit checks directly to your US bank. I've been using them for over a year and it's been a game changer for my nomadic lifestyle. Check out my affiliate link below to get started. Stay free, keep traveling, and never worry about missing important mail again. Now back to the video. Now, let's visit a site steeped in historical significance, the Mausoleum of Prince Battenberg. Located in Sofia, this elegant structure is the final resting place of Prince Alexander I, the first ruler of modern Bulgaria. Prince Alexander I played a pivotal role in Bulgaria's history, leading the country during its early years of independence in the late 19th century. The mausoleum itself is a beautiful example of neoclassical architecture, with its clean lines and dignified presence. Inside, you'll find a solemn yet inspiring atmosphere, honoring the legacy of a leader who helped shape Bulgaria's path as a nation. It's a place where history comes alive, offering visitors a chance to reflect on the country's journey to independence. For history enthusiasts, the Mausoleum of Prince Battenberg is a must-visit landmark that provides a deeper understanding of Bulgaria's past and the figures who shaped its future. Next, let's explore a cornerstone of Bulgaria's intellectual and cultural heritage, Sofia University. Founded in 1888, this historic institution is the oldest and most prestigious university in the country. Named after Saint Clement of Ohrid, a medieval Bulgarian scholar, the university has been a hub of knowledge and innovation for over a century. The main building, located in the heart of Sofia, is an architectural masterpiece. Its grand facade, adorned with statues and intricate details, reflects the importance of education and learning in Bulgarian society. Over the years, Sofia University has produced some of the country's most influential thinkers, scientists, and leaders. Whether you're strolling through its historic halls or admiring the building from the outside, Sofia University is a testament to Bulgaria's commitment to education and progress. It's a must-see for anyone interested in the country's academic and cultural legacy. Now, let's travel to Plovdiv, one of Europe's most captivating cities, and the oldest continuously inhabited one at that. With a history spanning over 6,000 years, Plovdiv is a living museum where ancient ruins and vibrant culture come together. The heart of Plovdiv is its old town, a beautifully preserved area filled with cobblestone streets, colorful 19th-century houses, and a sense of timeless charm. As you wander through its narrow alleys, you'll stumble upon Roman ruins, like the impressive ancient theater of Philippopolis, which still hosts performances today. But Plovdiv isn't just about history, it's a city that thrives on creativity and energy. The old town is also home to art galleries, cozy cafes, and boutique shops, making it a perfect blend of the past and present. Whether you're a history buff, a culture lover, or just someone who enjoys picturesque settings, Plovdiv's old town is a must-visit destination that will leave you enchanted. Now, let's step into the great outdoors and explore one of Bulgaria's most breathtaking natural treasures, Central Balkan National Park. Nestled in the heart of the Balkan Mountains, this park is a haven for hikers, nature lovers, and wildlife enthusiasts. Spanning over 700 square kilometers, the park is home to dense forests, dramatic cliffs, and some of the highest peaks in the Balkans. But what truly sets it apart is its incredible biodiversity. Here, you might spot brown bears, wolves, and even rare birds like the golden eagle. The park also boasts stunning waterfalls, such as the majestic Veliko Tarnovo, the highest waterfall in Bulgaria. Whether you're tackling one of the many hiking trails or simply soaking in the serene beauty of the landscape, Central Balkan National Park offers an unforgettable escape into nature. For anyone seeking adventure or a chance to connect with the wild, this park is a must-visit destination in Bulgaria. Next, let's dive into one of Bulgaria's most fascinating historical treasures, literally. The Thracian gold treasure of Panagyuris is a stunning collection of ancient artifacts that offers a glimpse into Bulgaria's rich Thracian heritage. Discovered in 1949 near the town of Panagyuris, this treasure dates back to the 4th century BC and is considered one of the finest examples of Thracian craftsmanship. The set includes intricately designed gold vessels, rhytons the drinking cups, and decorative plates, all adorned with detailed mythological scenes and figures. What makes this treasure even more remarkable is its historical significance. It reflects the artistry, culture, and rituals of the Thracians, an ancient civilization that once thrived in this region. Today, you can marvel at this incredible collection in museums like the Plovdiv Regional Historical Museum or the National History Museum in Sofia. For history enthusiasts and anyone fascinated by ancient cultures, the Thracian gold treasure of Panagyuris is a must-see, a true golden window into Bulgaria's past. Now, let's journey back in time to Veliko Tarnovo, a city that once served as the capital of the Second Bulgarian Empire. Perched on the hills along the Yentra River, this historic gem is filled with medieval landmarks and breathtaking architecture. Veliko Tarnovo is often called the City of the Tsars for its role as the political and cultural heart of medieval Bulgaria. The crown jewel of the city is the Tsarovets Fortress, a massive stronghold that once housed the royal palace and the patriarchal cathedral. Walking through its ancient walls, you can almost feel the echoes of Bulgaria's glorious past. But the city isn't just about history, it's also alive with charm and character. The old town is a maze of cobblestone streets, traditional houses, and artisan shops, while the nearby Arbanesi village offers even more historical and architectural wonders. For history buffs and travelers alike, Veliko Tarnovo is a must-visit destination that beautifully captures the spirit of Bulgaria's medieval heritage. Next, we head to Shipka Pass, a place that holds a special significance in Bulgaria's history. This scenic mountain pass in the Balkan Mountains is not only a natural wonder but also the site of one of the most important battles in Bulgaria's fight for independence. The Shipka Pass is home to the Monument to Freedom, a towering structure built to honor the bravery of Bulgarian and Russian soldiers who fought during the Russo-Turkish War of 1877–78. Their victory here was a turning point in Bulgaria's liberation from Ottoman rule. Climbing to the top of the monument rewards you with panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys, a breathtaking reminder of the sacrifices made for Bulgaria's freedom. The site also includes a museum where you can learn more about the battle and its historical impact. For history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike, Shipka Pass is a powerful and inspiring destination that connects you to Bulgaria's past while offering stunning natural beauty. Now, let's make our way to the Black Sea coast and discover a hidden gem. The palatial villa of the Romanian queen in Balchik. This serene retreat was once the summer residence of Queen Marie of Romania, and it's easy to see why she fell in love with this tranquil spot. The villa, also known as the Balchik Palace, is a stunning blend of architectural styles, combining Bulgarian, Byzantine, and Moorish influences. Surrounded by lush gardens, the complex features charming courtyards, fountains, and even a small chapel. But the real highlight is the botanical garden, which sprawls across the estate. Here, you'll find a diverse collection of plants, including rare species and a beautiful cactus garden. The centerpiece is the quiet, reflective space known as the Alley of the Winegrowers, perfect for a peaceful stroll. Whether you're drawn to its history, architecture, or natural beauty, the palatial villa in Balchik is a must-visit destination that offers a perfect blend of relaxation and inspiration. Now, let's venture to one of Bulgaria's most intriguing and unique landmarks, Buzludzha Peak. Perched high in the Balkan Mountains, this site is home to the iconic Buzludzha Monument, a striking relic of Bulgaria's socialist era. Built in the 1980s, the monument was designed as a tribute to the Bulgarian Communist Party and its historical congress held here in 1891. Its futuristic, UFO-like structure and massive concrete star are both haunting and fascinating, standing as a powerful symbol of a bygone era. Today, the monument is abandoned and partially in ruins, but it has become a magnet for adventurers, photographers, and history enthusiasts. The panoramic views from the peak are breathtaking, and the eerie atmosphere of the site makes it a truly unforgettable experience. Whether you're drawn to its historical significance or its otherworldly appearance, Buzludzha Peak is a must-see destination that offers a unique glimpse into Bulgaria's complex past. Next, let's head to the Danube River, where the Friendship Bridge stands as a symbol of connection and cooperation. Stretching between Bulgaria and Romania, this vital link has played a key role in facilitating trade, travel, and cultural exchange between the two countries since its completion in 1954. The bridge, officially known as the Danube Bridge, was the first to span the river at this location, making it a landmark of engineering and diplomacy. Its name, Friendship Bridge, reflects the spirit of collaboration that brought it to life. Today, it remains an important route for both commercial and passenger traffic, offering stunning views of the Danube as you cross. Whether you're driving over it or simply admiring it from the riverbanks, the Friendship Bridge is a testament to the enduring ties between Bulgaria and its neighbors. For travelers and history enthusiasts alike, this bridge is a fascinating stop that highlights the importance of connection in shaping the region's past and present. Now, let's explore the enchanting town of Nessebar, often called the Pearl of the Black Sea. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of Europe's oldest towns, with a history that stretches back over 3,000 years. Nessebar is a treasure chest of ancient ruins and medieval charm. As you wander through its narrow cobblestone streets, you'll encounter remnants of its rich past, from Thracian fortifications to Roman baths and Byzantine churches. The Church of St. Stephen, with its stunning frescoes, is a particular highlight. But Nessebar isn't just about history, it's also a vibrant seaside town with picturesque views of the Black Sea, cozy cafes, and artisan shops. Whether you're exploring its ancient ruins or simply soaking in the coastal atmosphere, Nessebar offers a perfect blend of history and beauty. For history lovers and travelers alike, Nessebar is a must-visit destination that captures the essence of Bulgaria's timeless allure. I know you're hungry, so let's dive into one of the most delicious parts of Bulgarian culture, its food. Bulgarian cuisine is a flavorful blend of fresh ingredients, hearty dishes, and unique traditions that will leave your taste buds wanting more. Start your culinary journey with Aran, a refreshing yogurt-based drink that's perfect for cooling off on a warm day. For something more indulgent, try Banitsa, a flaky pastry filled with cheese and eggs that's a staple at breakfast tables across the country. In the summer, tarrator soup is a must-try, a chilled blend of yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, and dill that's as refreshing as it is delicious. For the adventurous foodie, shkem korba, a traditional tripe soup, is a bold choice often hailed as a hangover remedy. And don't forget dessert. Garash cake, a rich chocolate treat, is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. For something lighter, the shopska salad, a vibrant mix of tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and feta cheese, is a fresh and flavorful side dish. Bulgaria is also known for its cured meats and sausages, so be sure to sample some of the local packaged meats for a true taste of the region. But no meal is complete without a drink. Bulgaria is home to excellent wines, particularly its robust reds, as well as dark beers that pair perfectly with its hearty cuisine. And let's not forget the culture that brings it all together. Bulgaria's folklore is deeply rooted in its history, with traditional folk dancers showcasing intricate moves and stunning costumes that tell stories of the past. From its mouth-watering dishes to its vibrant traditions, Bulgaria offers a feast for all the senses. It's a cultural and culinary experience you won't want to miss. Now, let's wrap up our journey with 5 fascinating facts about Bulgaria that highlight its unique place in history and the world. First, did you know Bulgaria is one of the oldest countries in Europe? Founded in 681 AD, it has never changed its name, making it a true historical treasure. Second, Bulgaria is the birthplace of the Cyrillic alphabet. Developed in the 9th century by scholars Cyril and Methodius, this script is now used by over 250 million people across the Slavic world. Third, Bulgaria is home to the oldest processed gold treasure in the world. Discovered at the Varna necropolis, this incredible find dates back over 6,000 years, showcasing the region's ancient craftsmanship. Fourth, Bulgaria produces 70% of the world's rose oil, a key ingredient in high-end perfumes. The famous Rose Valley, with its endless fields of fragrant roses, is a sight and scent to behold. And finally, Bulgaria boasts one of the world's deepest caves, the Devitashka Cave. This natural wonder has even been featured in Hollywood films, thanks to its dramatic size and beauty. From its stunning Black Sea coastline to its ancient ruins and rich cultural traditions, Bulgaria is a hidden gem just waiting to be explored. Whether you're drawn by its fascinating history, breathtaking nature, or mouth-watering cuisine, Bulgaria offers endless opportunities for discovery and adventure. So, have you visited Bulgaria before? Let us know your favorite place in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences. And if you enjoyed this journey through Bulgaria, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel adventures. And don't forget to check out Traveling Mailbox, a fantastic service to help you manage your mail while you're traveling this wonderful world we live in. Use this link below to use your savings promotions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.